Another example use case for topics might be to house information by process. For example, here, I've created a topic that outlines all of my content on how to create an opportunity in Salesforce. When I navigate over to Salesforce, I see all of my topics structured here. And if I head over to, for example, the opportunities, notice how the topics automatically change and are filtered by those closer to the opportunity. I can choose to come in and filter by topic. So if I just want to see those related to the opportunity, those will populate here. And within the opportunity itself, I still have my specs giving me guidance throughout every stage of opportunity creation, even within the individual pick lists. So as you can see, it becomes incredibly easy for me to embed this content within my existing workflow and never be without the answers that I need. With topics, users have a consistent guiding experience across all the tools they use. Throughout every step of their workflow, in every application, help is just a simple click away so that they can continue on with their day.